Hey, welcome back to Off-Road Stuff. And yeah, if you guessed, we're not in the trail, but we got to do some testing, so stay tuned. All right, well, we did the lift, we did the long arm kit. Um, but one thing that I haven't done is I haven't really flexed this thing out to check for any interference issues. So today, like I said, we're not on the trail, but we're going to use, where's it at right there? We're going to use our little forklift here at work to try to get her flexed out a little bit and make sure that I don't need to do anything before our next run, because that's coming up here in about 2 more weekends, I believe it is. So let's get her flexed out and see what we have to do. Well, so far so good. We still got the sway bar hooked up. All right, I just noticed this back tire over here was just starting to come up off the ground. So and that's not too shabby. I think if we disconnect the sway bar, we could probably get a little bit more out of it. So let's do a walk around real quick. So the back over here, we're stuffed up in there pretty good, but we got clearance. We got good on the brake lines. Nothing seems to be binding up. So let's go around. I'm gonna set it back down, disconnect the sway bars, and see what happens. Okay, one thing I did find, so I disconnected the sway bars, and I was gonna put them up on the little holder. Well, I forgot I put this high side drag link on, because normally it's underneath. So now this hits. But I think if I can get the frame side up, it'll separate just a little bit and I can pop it over. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it because it's not really gonna do anything. It'll just sit right there out of the way. The obviously the other side's fine. All right, well, right there, I noticed that back tire was starting to get just a little bit light. So I don't have a tape measure on me because it's in my work truck. But anyhow, yeah, we're doing pretty good here. I don't know how much more it was without the sway bar, or with the sway bar hooked up, the difference, but I can tell you this much. If you go back and I'll do a side-by-side on the pictures, I noticed that this front axle wasn't nearly as twisted as as it is now with it disconnected. So we're just gonna do a quick walk around, make sure we don't have any issues with links hitting or anything like that. So I'm pretty happy so far. All right, folks, short and sweet, but I like what I see, and appreciate you guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell for notification. Do me a favor, share this with somebody. I'm trying to do some things here, and I need your guys' help. So anyways, we'll see you guys on the trail. Take it easy.